Hello, folks. Well, it's been quite a while since I got to fly anything since last November, as we've been dealing with winter. But I have been keeping up with flying on Aerofly RC-10 each Thursday night so my fingers stay mobile. You know, a few months ago, my longtime friend Scott Rosengarten visited and brought me this Blade 360 Fusion helicopter. He had bought a new one, so he decided to give me this old one, albeit it was crashed. So I looked at it thankfully, and I found it needed a gear and 3 servos, no problem. I always heard Scott complain about his E-flite servos quitting in flight over the years, so I decided to research the best servos to replace it with and came up with these KDS Metal Gear servos. They're supposed to fit perfectly, so I ordered them and installed them. One thing that was not mentioned was that the blade servo arm splines don't fit these servos and the holes aren't lined up as well. So I had to remove the balls and put them on the KDS servo arms and line up the pitch arms to the MOS technique. That's 0 pitch at center throttle. That works for me. So after getting all that working, I also had to change the gear. So I didn't have any batteries with that orange proprietary connector that Blade uses, so I put my own Dean's connector on since I had 2 batteries already with Dean's. Also, you might note that these ball link connectors may look okay, but they break as well. Had to replace one of them. When I turned on the radio again and was messing with the pitch curve, all of a sudden the tail rotor started smoking. Well, that was the end of that, so I ordered a new one. In my next video, if all goes well with this flight, I'm going to fly it again with my floats. I got to be able to see it better as my eyes aren't as good at my age as they used to be. The floats are visual aids and they also lift the helicopter a little bit off the ground as well as making for softer landings. Here we go.
Just nice and easy test flight here. Well, I don't know about that battery. I need a new battery. It's not feeling real good.
There you go, Scott. Well, I think it seems to be set up okay. So thanks a lot for this, Scott. It really flies better than my Blade 300 did, that's for sure. I really like it. So folks, please stay tuned for the next flight and please subscribe. Also, I'd appreciate it if you please buy my newly published book. It's Dave Herbert, 70 Years of RC Models. Happy flying and God bless. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, signing off till the next episode.
Yeah.